This is on the newly renovated Montague St Tunnel. Last time it was closed. It got destroyed by Hurricane Sandy back in 2012. And I can still see some fish right there. We're going to Canal. Whoa. Doors are kind of a little bit off. Oh, it's going to open on this side.
Dice que tomemos el R.
¿Dónde en el otro?
¿Y aquí está la 57?
Sí, 57 Street, 7 Avenue.
Sometimes W train also go to 86th Street in Brooklyn via the end. I'm going to show you guys the third rail that also sometimes our trains terminates at Canal Street. Maybe, I'm not sure. Oh, it's via Whitehall. Oh yeah. I think the entrance is also running on the R line. I did not know that. Wait. Maybe. I don't So Fuse Guy is cool, you're right. Entrance do run on the R line. Sometimes. And this is at Cortlandt Street, where the new World Trade Center, probably beneath over, I'm not sure, it's probably nearby the West Concourse, or the East Concourse, where the Oculus is. Oh, brother, I have a low battery. Hope we can make it. Oh, it's going to open on this side again. Here we go again. Oh, E-Train's at the end of the platform. It goes to Queensbound. This also goes to the Fulton Center. See right there? You can see the other concourse right there. That's the Westfield property. It's owned by, well, it's owned by Make Eric, I'm not sure. It's also Allied Universal. Oh, yippee, I got a low battery. And we're not, well, it's gone to a big jolt now. That's a very big coincidence. And my hands are getting sweaty. As I hate testing pro, I've actually filmed this before. Uh-oh, it's going to open on this side. Wait for the plop, and lock.
This is a Queensbound and local train. The next stop is Canal.
Watch this. Door closed. And see that? I shoved the door closing. So stop flaming. Oh yeah, we're gonna go to what stop we're going to. Sorry for the bad video though. Whoa! This is a death trap. Alright, here's the third rail. There probably is some like a bandit trap or stop. Something, I don't know. Oh, there we go, there we go. There it is. Can't really see it. Maybe yes you can. Just like 137th Street. Just like it. Well, almost, not really. Oh, brother. And we're getting off here once when the train plops. So, with all that kind of crazy ride, that's it.